your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, believe it or not, Caleb, but we're entering into the last weekend of September, and the fall weather seems just to be in full swing starting this week.
Yeah, absolutely. It's clutch to say starting this week, because last week for the beginning of fall we were not feeling much like it. Temperatures in the 70s, approaching 80 degrees. Just not what you would expect, but I think you probably enjoyed it, right?
Yes, I did. But now Michigan's like, gotcha. Now it's going to be cold.
Yeah, exactly. It says, psych, check this out.
Yes.
Well, yeah, so this starting tonight, folks, we have this cooler air starting to usher into mid-Michigan, and that is setting up a cooling trend. We're going to see temperatures actually going well below seasonal for the next several days here. But starting off right now with a live look outside the studio, we are cloudy out there. Our temperature is at 62 degrees, still feeling a bit sticky out there, but again, things are very much going to change. Our almanac shows we did get to 73 degrees for a high today, pretty well above average. Our low 62 also above average. You can see here on Doppler radar, we are dry at the moment, but you also may notice we do have some showers starting to enter the picture from the west, moving towards the Grand Rapids, coming off Lake Michigan. As I zoom out, you can see they are very much coming this way. Widespread rainfall. It's going to move in the next several hours here and kind of stick with us through the day tomorrow, falling quite heavy at times. Also behind this front, we'll have much cooler air starting to usher into the region. This rainfall actually marks the leading edge of an upper level trough, which is going to be sticking with us for the next week or so, really bringing us this cooler air. You can see our high temperatures today. We got to 73 in Lansing. Before that cold front did pass through, it didn't pass through until beyond peak heating, so we did get pretty warm today. But you can see out to the north and the west, much different temperatures. You got 60s from Minneapolis over to Fargo, International Falls, Glendive, everybody in on the chillier temperatures. This is kind of how our temperatures will unfold. You can see this big dip in the jet stream, this upper level trough building this way. Overnight tonight, it'll continue to kind of dig southward, and when it does that, it's really going to just draw this cooler air out of Canada, and that's going to set up this cooling trend for us. You can see by tomorrow afternoon, our high temperatures only in the 50s, much warmer where this jet hasn't quite passed through yet. But again, this is just going to be the setup for the next several days. Translating that to our temperatures number-wise, we're going to be in the upper 50s tomorrow, approaching 60 on Tuesday, upper 50s Wednesday. By the end of the next work week, our high temperatures only getting into the low 50s. Saturday and Sunday are actually going to start off in the mid-30s, though, so definitely chillier weather coming this way. Time in the forecast out tonight, we're going to see some showers over the next several hours. Some of these could be heavy at times. Our temperatures falling into the mid-50s. Starting tomorrow morning by the late morning hours, though, I think it becomes a little bit more widespread in nature. Again, falling heavy at times, a little steady rainfall through the afternoon. If you're coming home from work tomorrow around 5 o'clock, definitely need the umbrella handy. Also, our highs only getting into the upper 50s, so temperatures really not rising all that much because we have this rainfall and this stout cloud cover. Now, Monday night into Tuesday, we do taper to showers. Our temperatures get a little bit cooler, falling into the mid to upper 40s. So we are starting to see this cooler air usher in. Our highs do then get towards that 60 degrees. Tuesday doesn't look like a bad day. I think we'll see some showers here and there, but nothing too crazy. Predicted rainfall amounts, we're not expecting anything crazy, but I think we could see upwards of 1 inch. I think this model is overdoing it a little bit, saying 1 to 2 inches. It could happen in spots, but generally speaking, most of us, I think, see between 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch of rain by the time this is all said and done tomorrow evening. Now, the forecast for tonight, temperatures getting into the low to mid 50s, showers likely. Again, we're getting cooler, but our temperatures still kind of remaining above average. But tomorrow, different story. Highs only getting into the upper 50s, about 10 degrees below average. Winds out of the west, 5 to 10 miles per hour, gusting to 15 miles per hour. And again, that rain will fall heavy at times. Now, the showers do stick with us through much of the next work week. The best chances for rain is going to be Monday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Thursday, though, definitely a good chance for some showers if you're out and about. By the end of the work week, partly sunny Friday. That'll stick with us into the weekend. You can see our temperatures in the low 50s. And again, starting off in the mid 30s Saturday and Sunday, could see some frost in the forecast by next weekend.
Well, thanks.